Welcome to London, Ontario, Canada, also known as the Forest City. This video will provide 15 reasons why people love London. Welcome to London, Ontario. Population around 400,000. Now, just for context, here is a map. We have circled London on the map. London is 2 hours from Toronto and 2 hours from Detroit, Michigan. This video will provide 15 reasons why people love London. People love London because of its post-secondary education. Fanshawe College is one of the largest colleges in the province, and with state-of-the-art learning facilities, Fanshawe has become one of the best colleges in Ontario. Western University, founded in 1878, is among the best universities in Canada. Well known for its medicine, dentistry, engineering, law, education, health science, and Ivy Business School. People love London because of the festivals: Ribfest, Sunfest, Block Party, Rock the Park, Food and Wine Festival, Beer, Barbecue, and Bands Festival, Londalicious, Trackside Music Festival, Home Country Music and Art Festival, Forest City Beer Festival, Palooza, the Air Show, on and on. People love London because of the Budweiser Gardens. It's a sports entertainment center in London, the largest such center in southwestern Ontario, previously known as the John Labatt Center. It's also the two-time recipient of Major Facility of the Year. When it comes to concert and sports venue, Budweiser Gardens. People love London because of the parks. London, Ontario is home to many wonderful parks and green spaces, and some of them straddle the famous Thames River. The City of London has a variety of large parks and outdoor spaces featuring outdoor activities and beautiful gardens. Springbank Park, Victoria Park, Gibbons Park, and the Westminster Ponds are amongst the best parks in London, Ontario. People love London because of the Thames Valley Parkway Trail, the TVP. Situated on scenic parklands across the Thames River, the TVP is the city's primary multi-use recreational trail. The current TVP is 40 kilometers in length, offering scenic river crossings, and is linked to over 150 kilometers of additional pathways connecting all corners of London. People love London because of the Covent Garden Market, located in the heart of London. Established in 1845, this 6-day-a-week market is located right in downtown London, offering an abundance of food, services, and locals farmers market twice weekly, and an array of cultural festivals and events. People love London because of the two churches. Now, St. Peter's Cathedral Basilica is a church located on Dufferin Avenue in London, and it is the seat of the Roman Catholic Diocese of London. Also, there's St. Paul's Cathedral in London, and it is the seat of the Diocese of Huron of the Anglican Church of Canada. It is the oldest church in the city. People love London because of the London Knights. They're a junior ice hockey team playing in the Ontario Hockey League, one of the leagues in the Canadian Hockey League. Get down to the Budweiser Gardens, 10,000 people screaming, watching future NHLers battle it out. People love London because of the beer, Labatt's beer. Take the Labatt's Brewery tour and learn how a great Canadian beer is made. The tour takes about 2 hours and includes a full guided tour of the brewery and sampling. Bring it on. Tours run year-round and must be booked in advance by email or phone. People love London because of the Banting House. It's known as the birthplace of insulin. Located on Adelaide Street, it's the house where Sir Frederick Banting woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning on October 31st, 1920, with the idea that led to the discovery of insulin, which treats diabetes. People love London because of the Kellogg's factory. The factory is a must-do attraction in London, Ontario. With so many activities to choose from, there's something for everyone. Whether you want to be active and adventurous or just kick back and relax, This all-in-one indoor entertainment center has everything you need and more to make your visit unforgettable. Another reason people love London is Boler Mountain. It's a year-round outdoor recreational facility featuring skiing, snowboarding, and tubing in the winter, and treetop adventure park and mountain biking spring, summer, and fall. People love London because of the Storybook Gardens. Storybook Gardens is a storybook-themed outdoor park owned and operated by the City of London Parks and Recreation Department. Opened in 1958, Storybook Gardens provides a fun day of play and learning for families with young children. People love London because of the Delaware Speedway. It's almost 70 years old and home to some of the finest stock car racing in Canada. It's a half-mile paved racetrack that is one of the oldest continuous operating tracks in Canada. It's located a few minutes west of London. It hosts stock car racing every Friday night during the summer. People love London because of the convenience of the London International Airport. In 2018, the airport handled 514,000 passengers, and in 2011 was the 20th busiest in Canada in terms of aircraft movement, with 94,000. The reasons presented in this video are not all the reasons why people love London, Ontario. If you've got a reason why you love London, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now.